Hi, welcome to my video, and in this series I'm going to show you how to draw the human figure using the C, S and D shape. Let's start with the C shape. The C shape has basically two sides. A stretched out side that has tension and a pinched or squeezed side. Here I'll be showing some tips and tricks. Let me just erase this and copy. Done. So here we have two identical shapes. Observe, by changing the direction of the line of action, we can alter how we view them. Here I'm going to apply what we have learned so far. Notice how the torso of this figure has that stretched side and also a pinched side. Please do forgive me, it's been a while since I have drawn digitally. And don't worry about the arms and legs for now. I am going to show you how to draw them in a separate video. That is it for today, and thank you so much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe and also comment below. Thank you. On the next video I will show you how to draw the figure using the S shape.